Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Brianna. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're coming back, then welcome back. So we have this whole coronavirus thing going on right now. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a no-sew mask. So what you're going to need is you're just going to need just a bandana and then just 2 rubber bands. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take your bandana. You're going to fold it like this, so not fully in half, but kind of, sort of, like that. And then you're going to take it and fold it again, just that time, next time in half, like that. So now it should look like this. Like this. Alright, now what you're going to do is you're going to take one end, you're going to take the rubber band, put it around, slide it down. Alright, so it should look like that. You're going to do the same thing with the other end. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the ends, you're going to fold them in so it covers up part of the rubber band. And now all you have to do is just put it on, just take the rubber bands, put them over your ears, and now you have a mask. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something new. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel down below, and share this video with your friends. And by the end of 2020, I want to try and get at least 500 subscribers. I know it's not a lot, but it's worth a shot. So thanks for watching. Bye.